Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, knife I got to show you today is that one. Little guy. This is called a Scout Sheath. Okay, some of you might be familiar with this style of sheath. It's really popular with the bushcraft guys, survivalists, things like that. Guys like that. I believe it was the second to the last Jurassic Park movie. One of the lead actors had a knife that was in a Scout sheath like this strapped to his back. Okay, look cool, you know, movie stuff. Anyway, they're actually quite functional. This one, though, does have a belt loop to carry it on a standard belt, too, just in case that's not convenient. But anyway, more on the Scout sheath part. So, what happens is you snake your belt in through here on the back strap. Okay, and there it is on your back. It's good when you're up and about and moving around out in the woods or whatever. Sitting down, not so good because, you know, kind of, you know, anyway, yeah, there's a trade-off to everything. So, what happens too is these straps right here, they can be taken off or unsnapped anyway, and you can put the belt through that. You can actually work it around your belt without taking your belt off. To me, that's kind of a lot of work to do that. You just, you know, undo your belt and slide it through the straps. But these also can be used on a pack. All right, upside down, right side up. Lots of uses for those straps. Okay, now it also has a little. By the way, this one's spoken for. Sorry. Like I've said before, anybody wants a knife, please just give me a call at the shop. Or better yet, join my wait list. Try to put up an extra knife once a month if I can. And I got a really long backlog, so please have patience, okay? Thank you for the interest. I really do appreciate all that. Anyway, back to this. Now, as you can see here, there's a ferro rod part of it here, which has a ferro rod on there. That's a fire starting rod for the people who don't know what that is. Ferrocino, I believe, is the accurate name for that. What you do is you take the back of your knife and you pull that across, and it throws a bunch of sparks onto whatever tinder there that you have to make a fire. Lots of videos on YouTube on how to do that stuff. So if anybody never saw one of those, there's plenty of information out there on that. Now, you see this stuff right here? It's on that too. That's shock cord, okay? Nothing fancy, just, you know. And I can't really take can't take credit for this because I've seen another guy do it down in Brazil. He makes outstanding knives and sheaths too. So what happens is you've got this strapped to your back, okay, on your belt, and you reach around and you hit that strap, and it pops open. See? I know, it's cool. But again, I can't take the credit. So it's just it just snaps it back up and right side. So what it does is it keeps the blade, when you go to pull it out, keeps it from cutting the strap. Okay, that helps a lot. Gets it out of the way, doesn't let it flop around, kind of holds it in place and everything. It's just, you know, it's a nice little added thing on that. So, okay, to the knife, which isn't anything fancy. Just one of my Kepharts. Okay, again, I've done a lot of videos on these before. These aren't going to win any beauty contests, but they're just a good knife. They can do just about anything, and all-around bushcraft work knife type of thing. So anyway, I built that sheath around this one, around this little knife, 3.5 inches, 3.5 inch blade. And again, this is supposed to be compact, so there we have it. I did mention this was spoken for, didn't I? Oh yeah, I did. Sorry. Anyway, there it is again. And I got a lot more coming. I got a couple of big knives that I got to make and put Scout sheaths on it too. So those are coming up too. So stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff. Whatever, you know, the YouTube stuff, you know. And I got a lot more coming, as I say. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.